This is the slowest run, guys. Yeah, this is the slowest run. By the way, guys, this is for 60 seconds. Slowest run, guys. Slowest run. We're gonna end at the 50 seconds because this is just a short, guys.